Enabling the Reduce Loud Sounds feature on your iPhone 16 helps protect your hearing by limiting the maximum volume of audio played through headphones. Here's how it's done. First, navigate to the home screen by swiping up from the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, tap on Settings. In the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on Sounds and Haptics. Scroll down to the Headphone Audio section and then tap on Headphone Safety. In the succeeding menu, look for the Reduce Loud Audio option and then toggle to turn on the switch next to it to enable the feature. Once enabled, you can adjust the decibel level by dragging the slider to the left to reduce the maximum volume down to 75 decibels, which is equivalent to the sound of a vacuum cleaner. Meanwhile, dragging the slider to the right will increase the maximum volume up to 100 decibels, which is equivalent to the sound of an ambulance siren. This feature on your iPhone 16 allows you to protect your hearing by limiting loud sounds when using headphones. It's particularly useful for those who frequently listen to audio at high volumes or for parents setting up devices for children. By then, you should be all set to use your headphones without having to worry about hearing unusually loud audio. To disable the feature, simply toggle switch to the off position. The switch turns gray when the feature is turned off or disabled. Note that prolonged exposure to loud sounds can damage your hearing, so it's important to use this feature wisely. And that's it. Please subscribe to this channel if you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.